You look like you see a ghost. Oh my God, what's wrong, Daddy? Are you okay? Also, that girl that was on your live, bitch, what? Girl, since when did this turn into an OnlyFans? The fuck? Girl, no. Are you okay? Do you talk? Hey, I said talk.
We're gonna take a break.
You better broke up.
I said talk, my nigga, talk. I said talk. Someone screen record this. I said talk, my nigga. Alright, get out of here!
Well, I'm a dad in Marina G. I make you think when I drop 50. Every the club 50. 50!
Sunny Day here, aka VJ Live Girl Squad. Big up Music Entertainment TV. Tune and subscribe. It's David. Check it out Music Entertainment TV.
Greeting. Hope you're fine. Are you angry? I love you so much. Are you busy? Can I see you? Alright then, talk to you later.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Another bag. I can't with you and your foolishness. Oh my God. You are one silly man, I tell you. Oh my God, what is this? Oh man. Duct tape, really?
They ran out.
You're such an amazing rapper.
They ran out. I'm sorry.
An envelope? What could this be? What could this be? It's not shaking. It's not my necklace, I don't think. Let's open this up. Ooh, it feels kind of thick, okay? Hold on, it may be. Maybe. This better be a ticket to Dubai for 2 weeks straight, round trip. Because you know I've been wanting to go to Dubai.
Open it up.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Yeah, read it.
What is this?
You know what it is? I just want you to know that I know. Nevaeh is not mine. She's not my daughter.
Why did you do this tonight out of all nights? Why?
Because I wanted you to know that I know Nevaeh is not mine. I've had doubts. So
What
I went at a
doubts?
DNA test. Nevaeh is not mine. She's not my daughter.
Why would you do this? She loves you though. Why would you do this?
She's not my daughter. Why would you do this? Why would you cheat?
I didn't cheat.
Why would you cheat on me?
I didn't.
That's proof right there. DNA test. Nevaeh is not my daughter.
But babe, really? Out of all days, you had 3 years to give this to me. Now you want to give this to me?
All right, well, listen. You and Nevaeh got to the end of the month to get out of my house.
You're kidding, right?
I'm not kidding.
But
You
that's your
and
daughter.
your daughter had to the end of the month to get out of my house.
But that's
Kelly.
your daughter.
It's not my daughter, Kelly.
Yes, it is.
The paperwork says it's not my daughter.
Why would you do this?
I am not the father.
No. Stop, babe. Can we just talk? Get the camera on my face. Can we just talk?